The issue of football fans shouting abuse at players from the stands takes a local twist this evening in the Red Stripe Premier League, with former champions Arnett Gardens losing to new team and league leaders Mullines United at the Jerusalem Stadium. An Arnett player was having a bad game. He got substituted and the crowd take a set on him, tell him a bagger, not so nice things. The ball ahead gets hot. Him jump the fence, exchanging angry words while stepping to the fans in the stands. Soon words turned into blows and the blows into an all-out brawl. Luckily, it don't look like nobody gets seriously hurt. No, straight up, this player's reaction was wrong and foolish. He could have easily gotten himself hurt or worse. Jumping the fence and confronting the fans, especially angry fans, is a no-no, brother. Whether it's your angry fans or the opponent's angry fans, fans will be fans and fans will say all kind of things. But from you jump that fence, you have your right and gateway. Same like how the fans don't have no right to come onto the field of play. The ball of them must not go into the stands. Take your criticisms, even if it's monkey chant. When them claim it's the worst abuse of all, I do agree. There are many worse things fans can say than to chant like a monkey, but that's another story. Whatever the fans say from the stands, hold your position, baller. You cannot talk about your jump fence and your bad man and your jump fence.